Just finished the Cyber Incident Planning and Response course. What I'd like to say is it's a very interactive course, and it's been quite an eye-opener, including seeing what a lot of the issues that you can face as an organisation from attacks, and how easy it is for someone to plan and execute an attack in an organisation. Very informative. The trainer was very informative, well knowledgeable, and I highly recommend this course to anyone who's looking to explore cybersecurity more further.